Hello, my beautiful, wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to True Talk Margaret TV show. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe. Press the red button and press the notification button. And all my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And my returning subscriber, I say I love you guys. Today's topic, I want to talk about a video some people sent to me. Almost 3 people have sent me this video. Very horrible. That is the video. It's not waiting somebody will feel wash. Oh my God. Especially when you see this video that your own African brother or African man, they do this to his own African sister. That is even the same tribe. If I continue, this matter happened for Libya Road. This one are inside Libya, not even Libya Road, inside Libya. Igbo man torture his own fellow Igbo sister. Not be waiting you go feel look. Not be waiting. No more than want to even more than don't want to. How I put them? No more than want to even hear or see that kind of thing. Say, man, they treat his daughter this way. This Igbo man, they torture this lady. And first, before I go start, I won't let our people know for inside house, our mama, our papa, where they allow their daughters, they allow their son, they say they won't enter Obodo Yibo. Obodo Yibo not the easy again. Even people where they don't ready, even they succeed to enter this Obodo Yibo. Frustration self won't meme their enemy because to get work, easy. To get documents out, to get documents self, easy. So I beg, it is better say they stay back home and find something to do, find work or find business. Because what did the apple for that Libya Road, easy. A lot of our young people, they die inside the water. Now 3 weeks ago, now somebody tell me that Libya Road, 400 people now die inside the water. They sick, no help. Europe no easy again. Please, oh your daughter, find little business for your daughter or your son to do. Than say you will let them to enter road to come to Europe. Easy. Easy for you. And the worst thing, even our own fellow black, how they treat each other from inside that Libya, that is very bad. Igbo man, they torture this lady. Fine, I will not even call her lady because she's a young girl. That girl where they beat. Only say I know if you post the video. Nobody will come across that video will be say no go tears, we no go cry. In short, you go have nightmare. And not if you finish the video. Because if I finish that video, now after the look, I know it will disturb me for 1 month. So I just watch little short of the video. But the little short I've watched, what did that man do to that girl? Except say, not be mother, not be woman, I bring that man to this head. Every woman will go pass through that video. Anything when they say, any word where they come up for their mouth go follow that man. And not only that man, it go follow a generation. If not be woman born that man on this head, and that man no go born daughter tomorrow, when they do, or that man no get sister, when he carry wire, they flock this small girl of 18. That girl no go pass 18 to 20. Is she too old? Tell 2 men to hold this girl. One hold, that is 2 of them there. Hold they flock with, not say with cane, with iron. I will put rubber, that is thick rubber, thick one. They say they flock this girl. Why they bring this video today now? Because I go post the photo. The photo will be there. 2 of the man photo because the man don't run. And the girl is missing now. We need justice for that Nigerian Igbo girl. We need justice for that Nigerian Igbo girl. You see, waiting our own fellow Nigerian man, Igbo man, they do to his own Igbo sister. If na Arab now, they'll say, oh, now, see what Arab people they do. This one now. Or see what Igbo people they do. This one now, your own fellow black brother, now they torture you to death. Just because say she go visit her boyfriend. I know this people they carry women, they human traffic. Human traffic see day. Human traffic see day on. It never stop. Although say the king of Benin don't put end of human traffic, but it's still day on. Because they call that one say na be the boss, I be the oga. The reason why this man begin to beat this girl like that, say because the girl go visit his boyfriend, the girl not tell him. Now be say himself don't dey put eye for the girl body, or he don't dey sleep with the girl, he don't dey toast the girl, don't dey sleep with the girl. Maybe the girl not love her. Now the other guy na the girl love. So that, because if you watch the video, the way they tell they flog the girl for poo, flog the girl poo, flog the girl private part, except say that man not come for woman private part. Now he go free. As far as he come for woman private part, the ROIP where that man go get, it go dey very horrible. Because he flog that girl, flog in yansh, flog and that is the girl they shout, the girl go faint, they will carry water, they will pour am. They go flog again, the girl they shout, brother, they beg am. They go carry, they go ask, the girl go collapse, they will carry water again, they go pour am. They go begin to the flog and they cause am all kind of name. Forget say na woman born now. Forget say me go, oh God. Forget say na woman born now. Flog the girl. That guy, I'm not sure say he go feed. The girl not their life again. I'm not sure say the girl go their life, because they say the girl they miss. So they are looking for the man now. So I go post the man photo there. The man photo will stay there, go stay there. So in case anywhere where you come across this video, or any video where we say somebody makes it, that man is, they are looking for it, they run now, so that they check for her now. He get to go for jail for it. They get to torture him the way he tortured that woman, that small girl. She's just a small girl. She's not up to 20 years. And I see what Igbo man they do to his own Igbo sister. And I see the way African men they do to their own African sister in Libya. In Libya road. That is inside Libya, where you're supposed to be the one protecting your sister. Even though if you like her, she not like you. Doesn't mean say you go beat her that way. It's even better you carry you carry a piece gun and just give her once than you torture that girl like that. That is a very painful death. And this man, your death will be more painful than that girl, because now they look for her, they don't know where she did. So our parents back home, you're supposed to be the one protecting your children, especially your daughter. Because of Nigeria condition, they make our youth, they go outside Nigeria. In any way they want to enter Europe, they will enter. If not, be saying Arab people will do their something, then will do their self. They say this man not be today, don't they do so? Now so they torture the girls there. So now this one, now they don't expose her now. If they around, so they are looking for this man. They are looking for this man. Make our guests make una stop to the come enter Europe road. Not in the inside. If you want to come to Europe, take in the hard way, take the real way, the straight way. Shortcut no good. Shortcut you go lose. It's better you go for the real way. You go through your school, or you are married and your husband is here, is okay. And I will make a short video. Sometimes here in relationship, sometimes love will end. Love will end. I won't make this in a second topic. I won't make. There's a video I come across too in Facebook. This now concerning Cameroon. This Cameroon man, if they make video say this girl, this a wife, the man come to Europe. Now the man want the woman want to divorce him. He won't leave him. You know, after I don't suffer, bring her. He does suffer, bring her because they don't have two children together. Now the lady no say he go leave her. So inside what he convo baffle me. People were supposed to give them advice, give the man advice. Say, okay, I'm gonna take it easy. In any way, they will figure the man phone call the man and contact the man, contact the woman, so that they can try to see what they go on and put it together. Do you know what people they put comment? They say make it give the girl ROIP. They say give the girl ROIP. Sometimes I don't understand what they go on for our people. A lot of women, yes, yeah. Germany and I saw one 22 years old boy give his own girl baby mama ROIP of 24 years. They say like the story, they say the woman did nice. The lady did nice. Say not be today night the man sometimes he go disgone waram, he go beat her. Even if the woman just won't finish you, he go disgone waram, he go still beat her. At the end, before they get to make it wrong, come up for the relationship where they abusing relationship, it was too late. The man give her ROIP. So I won't get this message to those Cameroon people where they say, make the man give the woman RIP. Una don't hear from the woman waiting the man they do for house. Because when the man they make the video, the woman they work out with the 2 children, they work out, they go, the man they make video, they talk. The lady not say anything. People begin to conclude and say, give her RIP. If you give her RIP for Europe, you only go for jail. After some years, you go free, you go marry another woman. Forget saying a woman I bring on a this life. Forget saying the mother of this earth is a black woman. If black men don't get respect for their women, they abuse their women, they kill their women. Then I forget saying a woman, a black woman, I carry you 9 months. Push you was life and death and bring you on this life. So if they give another woman RIP, no say your mama na woman too. So make our African men, make they learn to give on a woman respect. If some kind of situation like this happen, that you go put comment that will increase the problem, that will cause more commotion. Why don't you look for the telephone number and try to call the man and find out for the woman what is going on? And if there's any way they can bring them together, they bring them together. And whereas relationship not be love not be for force. If somebody don't tire for loving you, or you don't tire for the marriage, then it will cause commotion. Everybody go their part, not be bad thing. You know me say you bring somebody from Africa come Europe, me say the person are your slave. Because oh God, this word slave is not good for you too. I'm sorry. You know me say you go to treat the woman anyhow. Then tomorrow if the woman won't go, then you go say you come on social media, begin to talk. They talk negative things, they talk bad things against the woman. And people will not know anything, that would put bad comment. They would increase the problem. Are we African community or African people living in Europe? Are we here to solve problems, or we are here to increase problems? Are you happy to see that more news will come that a man kill a woman? Because it's done the happen. Say man give woman RIP. It done the happen. It happened for Italy. It happened for Germany. For 3 years ago, a lot they go on. We say men they give African women RIP. Some just want to say make anything when they want from the woman, make the woman just they give them. Money they will give woman say make it take care of children. The man will want share and to two. They see how many years. Yeah, but when they want to come back, they won't come to social media and talk, or come to Facebook and talk. They will not talk the truth. You see some women here where I even they struggle alone with the children. As soon the money they come, the man say me they share and to that not the children money, not be the man money. They give that money for the children to look okay, not for you. Say kinder money they come now. Okay, share out to 2. As you use your own finish, where the woman say bring cook, you go still eat. Look where they see they talk the truth. You understand? Yeah, I know it's painful. Say if man marry you come from Africa, come here. Say at the end you leave the man. It's painful, but there's a way to solve the problem. It's not about advising the man to give the woman RIP. So what will be your happiness? Anything we do for this life, make we think twice before we comment. In anything we are doing, make we think before we do it. It happened for America too. Cameroon give his wife RIP. Nigeria give his wife RIP. Maybe now waiting people don't comment on their situation, or the kind of people where they meet for advice. You say, I give her RIP, after all you go for jail. And what? Another one too. This one just happened, which I will make the topic. I'll put the couple picture inside front. The man give the woman RIP and give himself RIP. So my people, this is not the message when I bring today. I hope say this message will help people and it will give us more sense to handle things without aggressive way. And this man where they is so one at the see so they are looking for this man. So anywhere you see this man, may you call the waiting, may you call the police. Call the police. So thank you once again for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.